So hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqas Tech. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi disconnect. Lot of iPhone users reported that when their iPhone screen is turned off, their Wi-Fi cannot working and Wi-Fi also disconnected. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that issue. So without wasting any time, let's start video. Firstly, open your iPhone setting. In setting app, you can see appears on screen battery option. Just tap on battery. Okay, in battery section you can see appears on screen here are showing low power mode. Make sure your low power mode is turned off. If it's turned on, just turn it off and easily fix the Wi-Fi disconnectivity issue on your iPhone. If that method is not working, then move to the next solution. Our next solution is open your iPhone setting. In setting you need to tap on display and brightness, as you can see showing here. Okay, make sure your rise to wake is turned on. If it's turned off, just turn it on and easily fix the Wi-Fi disconnectivity issue on iPhone lock screen. If that method is also not working, then move to the next one. The next one, open iPhone setting, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset. Okay, tap on reset and reset all network setting and done that. After doing that, you can easily fix the Wi-Fi disconnectivity issue on iPhone lock screen. If that method not working and your iPhone still disconnectivity issue, then force to restart your iPhone. It's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just force to restart your iPhone to fix that issue. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the last solution. The last solution is open your iPhone setting, tap on general, tap on software update, wait for a moment. You can see appears on screen here are showing pending iOS update. Make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS update and easily fix the Wi-Fi disconnectivity issue on iPhone lock screen after iOS 16 update. So friends, by doing that simple step, you can easily fix that issue. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.